Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faizan Khan, and in this video I'm going to show you the working of this student register system. This is built using Python, Tkinter and MySQL database. Let me show you how this works, and later on I'll show you how to run this project. So let's firstly add the student, okay, because we don't have any students here, right? So this student ID is automatically generated ID. Okay, then we'll enter the name, we'll mention the age, we'll choose the gender, then we'll mention the contact, and the contact has to be at least 10 digits. If it's not 10 digits, then you will see you will not be able to add uh, the student. You will see the message box. Similarly, if you are not entering a valid email, then also you'll see a message box. So it says contact must be at least 10 digits, right? So we have to make it 10 digits, and then this email, it says invalid email address, right? So we have to add a valid email address. Now student added successfully, right? Let me quickly add two more students. So I have added two more records here, as you can see. Now, once you'll click on any of the rows, if I'll click on the first row, you see these fields are automatically filled here. Now, what you can do, you can update any detail, okay? Like I'll update the email address codinglifestyle@gmail.com. So I'll just click on this update. So it shouldn't updated successfully. So now you can see the email here is changed. Similarly, if I select second row, I can update the age or any detail, whichever I wish to. If I click on add, it says student ID already exists. Do you want to update this record? So if you'll choose yes, so the student record will simply be updated. If you'll choose no, nothing will happen. Okay, so we want to update it. So either you can click on this add, it will ask you to update, okay, if the record already exists, or you can directly click on this update button. All right, then if you wish to delete any record, select the record and click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Yes. So you see the record is now deleted. Okay, then you can also search any student by name, contact or email. So let me search with name. So I'll just enter the name and click on search. So see, I'm getting a result. By clicking on the show all, I'll see all the records here, right? Now if I want to export to Excel, so I'll just click on this export to Excel. It will open this save as dialog box. I want to save it on my desktop. I'll name the file as a student, and I'll just click on this save. So data exported successfully. So you can see here that we are successfully able to export the student data in the Excel file. All right. And then if you have some data filled up here, then we have this clear button. This will help you to clear. Okay. So yeah, uh, that's it. I have explained you all the functionality. So this is a beginner project which you can add to your resume, or you can use it as a mini or major project for your college, depending on the knowledge that you have. Okay. Now let me show you how you have to run this project. So make sure you install Python, PyCharm, and MySQL database on your system. If you don't have it, just watch any YouTube video and you will be able to install these three softwares. Okay. After installing these three softwares, you have to uh, add these three files in the same folder. Okay. Then inside this config.py file, you have to change your DB password. So if your MySQL password is 1234, then use the same one, otherwise replace it with your MySQL password. And then if you want to keep the database name as this one, then you can keep it this, or you can change it, right? And then you just have to run this main file. That's it. Everything else has to stay the same. Okay, so this is how you can run this application. The source code for this application is in the description. Let me know if you have any doubts. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you are new, and share this video with your friends, with your classmates. Thank you for watching.